think it's in. And there goes my phone into the bumper of the car. What's going on, viewers? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is going to be a shorter video. I'm going to be working on my daily, which is my Audi A4 B9 2018. I'm going to be putting LED front turn signals on. Currently waiting on parts for this. This is going to be a different video. This is kind of like in the middle of the video, right? Usually a bigger YouTube channel would buy another car and start another project to fill in this gap, but I don't have the space or funds.
In terms of money, we have no money.
This is gonna be put to the side. I'm waiting on parts, not in a rush. I want this to come out good. This is gonna be another video you guys will see. So I'm gonna put this car outside real quick, bring the Audi in, and then I'll show you guys the difference between the LED turn signals and the OEM ones that it comes with and why I'm changing them. All right, guys, so here are the lights that I'm talking about. As you can see here, that these aren't the LED lights. They should be turning off soon. Get the hood real quick. So yeah, so this should be a difficult task. So I kind of like looked them up. I haven't found any information at all on how to change these bulbs. Even these in here, I feel like I have to take the headlights off to replace the actual headlight bulb. From what I see, I kind of need some needle nose pliers. So I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can see with some light and show you guys what's happening. And then I'll show you guys a before and after of them on at the end of the video. If you guys are watching this video, I'm assuming that you guys don't have the LED turn signal. You guys already know how the turn signals look like. So just a quick thing before I keep going. I just want to show you guys the before I take it out. Look at all this salt, guys. This is the reason why I don't drive the BMW or the Lexus during the winter. I mean, all the salt just gets in the car. It ruins the cars and all that. But that door is annoying. From what I see, right, the first thing you want to do is take this cap off right here. There you go. And then when you open it up, you're gonna see that it has just one bulb in here. And this bulb is kind of like the fog lights, I guess you could say, for the headlights. You turn them on and it lights up like the side of the cars, and it says to use while you know, heavy rain. But it's not LED or anything, it's just a regular halogen bulb. So let me see, I remember how to do this. So yeah, I'm gonna just take this out first. Maybe I got more space in there. Probably one, probably two, and it should disconnect. I was thinking about upgrading those to LED, but I'm not really too sure. I don't like that. All right, so moving that to the side. Let me just take a peek in here. So honestly, I don't think you guys will even be able to see. I don't think I can get a camera in there. I have my flash on a little bit, and the bulb is, let me see if I can see it. Right there. That one right here. You see there's two wires connecting right here. These two, that's the bulb right there, and it's tight. Barely fit anything in there. But my attempt, I'm gonna try to use these, you know, those pliers, which have like kind of like a 45-degree angle to them. And I think it'll be easier if I do it this way, because I could kind of just say grab from up here. I don't really have to, it doesn't have to be straight or anything. Just for the space and convenience. But I'm gonna move the light over here real quick because I cannot see where the hell is going.
I tried it a little bit with this, just to loosen it up. And I was
Should be out. Yep, here it goes. So this is the bulb. I already did this side because I had to take out the intake. This side's gonna be a lot harder. Plus I was replacing the intake filter. So I did that all at once. This side's a little bit easier to record because you can see everything. This side, it's a little bit more tighter. So if you're doing this, you're gonna have a hard time doing this side. For sure. So the bulb is in. So looking in through here, you could kind of see the socket. Well, the hole where the bulb goes in through. So you could kind of just, oh, there you go. You could kind of just fish that through, and there you go.
An eternity later.
Alright, the socket's in. I just don't think that I have it in far enough. I think it'll just fall right out. Maybe here I can try this needle nose. I just don't want to grab a wire, so I can't really see it. I think it's in. And there goes my phone into the bumper of the car.
It's only a game.
It's finally on this side. It was very difficult. I was able to just get it with my 2 fingers. Just yeah, where the hell is the thing? Oh, right here. Just going in like this, all the way in. Oh man, this is crazy. How you expect to replace a bulb that has no access point or anything like that is beyond me. It's gonna look way better, so I guess it's worth it. All right, so this is what I mean. Turn signal looking better now. It matches with the mirrors and the taillights, all LED. You guys, I'm making the video so you guys can see how to do it. It is difficult. That's just probably the most difficult light bulb change I've ever done. It might be my hands. My hands are huge, but if you have small hands, maybe you could sneak back there and do it. I don't know. Let me back the car up back outside so you guys could get a better view of it. And yeah, pretty much, and bring the Lexus back in because it's starting to rain outside. Alright guys, see, turning on the car, no warning lights. The bulbs do have a resistor in them, so there shouldn't be no warning lights. Turn signals, both sides work perfectly fine. Hazards work perfectly fine. There you go. I'm gonna put these turn signals on, these hazards, and let you guys see it from far. Let me just back the car up real quick. Right into the Lexus. It looks like I'm going. I looked all over online through YouTube and through forums or whatever. I didn't see no one doing this at all. See anyone attempting to do it, so it's kind of weird that no one has done this before, because it is available, right? These turn signals with resistors on them that are error free. I don't even get to see them to be honest, but I know that it just looks good when they get turned on. I'm just yapping now. I'm about to head to New York to pick up something, so yeah, I guess I'll end the video here. So I could start my trip over there before it starts raining hard. It's supposed to rain all day today, but whatever. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. If this is your first time on my channel, if you're coming from like Audi group, I do also do things on my daily, which is an Audi. I come from a Honda background, and then I went into Audis, Volkswagens or whatever, and then BMW, and now I'm back into the JDM. So I love all cars, experimenting with all of them. I just don't have a specific manufacturer that I like. Waiting on parts for this car, so I'm kind of at a standstill right now. But to fill in the gap, I figured I'll show you guys this little modification I did to my daily. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.